Sup, real ninjas? Squid Face, Chum Bucket out here, Fort Bragg, about to get on these kayaks with these rockfish.
About to do some ninja stuff, boy!
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
When we first got out there, the fishing was pretty good for about an hour. We hooked up some fish, and then after that the bite died, and then we went and tried somewhere else and there was no bites. So it was kind of a slow day, but we got some.
Fishing with the fishing pole down by the river. If it gets cold, we make a fire.
So we caught a little bit today, nothing too super impressive. There's my catch. Squid Face outfished me today. Got a barely legal ling and some other rockfish. So we had some fun. It was all right. It was weird because the fish were biting good, and then like that, it stopped. It just stopped. There was no more biting after that. It sucked. So short day of fishing, but we got something to put in the cooler. Yeah.
Short but fun.
All right. See you next time. Nice blue ling. This will eat good.
You guys can make sure that's rough ling.
We will. Yes. Thank you. I'm gonna leave a tag of skin on there. Just because I think legally you're supposed to.
Really?
Yeah.